Hello, this is just a short video to show you my little surgery table, as I call it. A table for soldering or desoldering work. I made it using an electric stove, using the plate from an electric stove, and made some holders from Teflon with magnets on one end with grooves, and then shrinked some heat shrinking on it so that the magnet is away from the plate and it doesn't scratch it. And that's easy, you know. And I put it on a on some roller bearings. So yeah, I just take the board like that, choose the place for the board, can fix it with those magnets here, yeah, and then turn it wherever I like, and I can put my microscope above it and work solder to desolder things. Also, haven't used this too much, but I made also some kind of device to press larger components when I need those to, I can choose a place to put this. I can change, wherever, and then place the component and solder it all over. Yeah, this is also with a magnet, and yeah, that's a simple device, very helpful in soldering work. Thanks for watching.